Hi everyone, this is a strategy pattern in .NET 10. With this pattern, you have family algorithms that you can encapsulate each one and make them interchangeable, and the strategy lets the algorithm vary independently from clients that use it. The structure of this is you have a client consumer and a context that implement or inject the strategy interface that have different behaviors implementation for the concrete strategy that you use in your code. When to use this pattern, for example, in multiple ways to perform attacks or operation. You want to switch behaviors or at runtime. You need to avoid large conditional if else or switch statements. You want to add new behaviors without modifying existing code. The clear benefits for this pattern is open close. You can use add new strategies without changing existing code. Runtime flexibility to change the algorithm in runtime. The single responsibility for each strategy focused on a specific algorithm, and you can use easy testing for that. The implementation of this pattern is very simple. You have to define one interface for, in this case, a payment strategy. And then you have the implementation of this interface for three concrete behaviors for credit card, PayPal, and bank transfer strategies. Then the context allow to inject the iPayment strategy that you need to use in the execute payment method. And the usage for this in the client, you have the context and you can interchange different strategies for payment procedure. Then how it works, you have the context and the context create and choose the initial strategy. The context delegates the work to the current strategy with the execute method, and the client can switch the strategy at runtime. New strategies can be added without changing existing code. Then strategy variation is a classic strategy, like to see you in the last code. The runtime strategy selection for choose based on the configuration or environment. For example, and strategy dependency injection that you can inject with the dependency injection lifetimes, the strategy that you can use. Then the benefits for that is keep the strategies small and focused. Use meaningful names for strategies, aligning with the business requirements, of course. Prefer composition over interface. Validate inputs in strategies. Use dependency injection to manage strategies. Write unit tests for each strategy. I hope that you enjoyed with this video, and see you at the next video of the .NET 10 series. See you next time, and happy coding!